New leaked photos have revealed some potential major design changes coming to the iPhone 15 Pro models, expected to launch on September 12. The photos, shared on Twitter by leaker Majin Buu, show a dummy model of the rumored iPhone 15 Pro that features a USB-C-sized hole at the base of the device and what appears to be an action button that replaces the mute switch. The most noticeable change in the iPhone 15 Pro design we can see from the dummy device is the removal of the Lightning port at the bottom of the phone. The iPhone 15 USB-C port has already been all but confirmed by Apple since the EU mandated that all phones will have to use USB-C by 2024. However, it seems the USB-C port features a mysterious extra chip which has us worried about Apple limiting which accessories will be able to use the port to its full potential. The dummy model also has a new physical button on the side, which adds to the speculation that the iPhone 15 Pro may get an action button that will be customizable to launch certain apps or features. That includes silencing the iPhone, just like the outgoing mute switch does, but the action button could also be capable of activating your camera or flashlight, quickly opening apps, and more. The iPhone 15 Pro dummy also shows the pill-shaped cutout at the top of the display along with the selfie camera cutout that we see on current iPhone 14 Pro models. This is likely for an expanded dynamic island that was introduced on the iPhone 14 Pro and is expected to be added to the iPhone 15 range this year. While not functional devices, dummy models are often created based on leaked specifications and schematics from Apple's supply chain partners and give us our best look yet at the potential major updates. The iPhone 15 series is expected to be announced during the Apple September event on September 12, following Apple's usual smartphone release timeline. This year, we are anticipating iPhone 15 models will get 48MP cameras and some impressive benchmark scores for the iPhone 15 Pro. What are your thoughts on the removal of the Lightning port in favor of USB-C? Do you think it's a good move? Do let us know your thoughts about it in the comment section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.